Passwords. They're the keys to your digital life. Let's get straight to the point. Strong passwords keep your data safe, while weak ones, they're like leaving the door wide open. So, what makes a strong password? Let's start with the length. Make it at least 12 characters long. Next, complexity. Mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols in your password. Last but not least, uniqueness. Never reuse passwords across accounts. Avoid the classics like password 123. Hackers love those. Instead, go for something random like pancakes and zebra. But please don't actually use that one. You may also consider using a passphrase, which is generally hard to guess. Combine unrelated words in a phrase like tiger and banana in 2025. Add some symbols and numbers to boost security. What about remembering all these passwords? Enter the password manager. It stores, secures, and even generates strong passwords for you. All you need is one master password, a kind of super key. So make strong passwords, use a password manager, and lock down your digital life. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, even hackers think password 123 is a joke.